I could get used to late nights dancing my place. I could get used to long drive.
Hey guys, I am finally back to Dubai. Siguro ma-upload ko to after ko ma-upload yung Pinas vacation ko. So, I just came back last Monday, early in the morning. So, ang daming naging hassle pa sa flight ko pabalik dito. Nag-recover pa ako ng 2 days. So, today it's Wednesday. Yeah. Monday, Tuesday, para akong lantang gulay. As in, nakahiga lang ako talaga sa sofa or even sa bed. As in, I don't know. Tapos nasamahan pa siya ng jet lag. So, totally lantang gulay talaga. And hindi pa ako ganun nakakabawi. Meron pang konting-konti sa time adjustment. Today, nagising ako ng 4:30 in the morning and totally hindi na ako makatulog. Kasi anong oras na sa Pilipinas? That's around 8:30 in the morning. And back to Pilipinas, sorry. Sorry. Back to Pilipinas, nagigising ako usually 5:30 in the morning, 6 o'clock in the morning kasi may mga errands ako na dapat gawin. May mga project kasi akong pinapagawa sa Pilipinas. And hindi pa rin siya natatapos dahil nga paulan-ulan, pabugso-bugso yung ulan. So, hopefully matapos siya next month. Sa tingin ko naman kasi patapos na yung pabubong ko sa pinapa-renovate ko na cafe. Nasa na ba ako? So, na-delay yung flight ko sa Pilipinas because of the weather. Sobrang maulan and hindi nabigyan kagad ng clearance yung Singapore Airlines para mag-take off. So, nagstay kami sa loob ng plane for about 1 to 2 hours. So, sobrang late na kami nakarating ng Singapore. By the way, guys, I intended na mag-layover sa Singapore kasi hindi ako masyadong nag-travel when it comes to Asia. Siguro sa Asia, ang napuntahan ko pa lang is Taiwan, where I used to work before ng mga 3 years din as a factory worker. Yun yung unang-una kong abroad experience. And then, recently, nagpunta kami ng Bali, Indonesia. So, yun pa lang yung mga napuntahan ko. I never been in Thailand, Malaysia, where else? Vietnam, Korea, Japan. Never been there. And also in Singapore. So, since ako lang naman nag-travel mag-isa, nag-decide ako na mag-layover ako ng Singapore just to see yung jewel na sinasabi nila kasi nga daw, it's one of the best airport in the world. So, and aside from that, I want to experience the Singapore Airlines as well kasi nga, sabi nga nila nagta-top 1 daw yun when it comes to aviation, kumbaga. Well, based on my experience with Singapore Airlines, when it comes, may mga, syempre wala namang perfect in general, di ba? When it comes to flight, it was so smooth, especially sa pag-landing nila. Ang galing ng pilot doon. Sa service, not really. Well, siguro masyado pang maaga para magbigay ako ng bad reviews or what. But this is, oh my God. Diba, nahulog pa yun. Nakarma agad. Ganun ba yun? So, bakit hindi siya nagdikit? When it comes to service, mas okay pa rin sa akin ng Emirates Airlines and Qatar. That's, for me, that's the best aviation so far. I mean, the best airline so far na nagagamit ko. Kasi even first time na lumipad ako with Emirates, their service is really amazing. Sa Singapore Airlines, hindi napaka-less ng crew nila when it comes to servicing. And makikita mo talaga na meron silang mga nagme-make face sila kapag hindi sila okay. Siguro nakita ko ng dalawa. Maybe they are not feeling okay, o may mga problema, o may mga pinagdadaanan sila. But even na ganun, trabaho mo yung customer service eh. I never experienced that kind of attitude sa Emirates Airlines and Qatar Airlines. Kahit alam kong pagod na sila. Well, lahat naman ng trabaho is nakakapagod. But sometimes, especially when you are in the customer service world, you need to control. Although siguro, pero hindi eh. After nun, okay naman siya eh. So, I don't know. And then, I'm not happy with the screen. Masyado ng luma, or siguro yung airlines is luma na din. But anyway, so yun yung mga comments ko. And then what else? Medyo masikip yung upuan nila, yung legroom nila, masikip. What else? Pero malaki talaga yung airplane na, malaki. And what really amazed me is yung smooth talaga, yung hindi mo talaga ramdam yung, kahit may turbulence siya, hindi ramdam, tsaka napaka-smooth ng pag-landing niya. Kasi hindi mo talaga maramdaman. Kasi yung may mga plane like Emirates, ramdam mo talaga pag bumaba na siya. Yung kunyari magla-landing na siya, ramdam mo, parang naiiwan yung puso mo sa taas. May mga ganun akong experience. So, yun yung good thing naman sa Singapore Airlines. So, I don't know how they are grading when it comes to sa aviation, when it comes to kung sinong number 1, number 2, yung ranking nila. So, yun. And about the airport, it's really nice. Siguro mas maganda siya sa daytime, especially yung Jewel. Hindi ko masyadong na-enjoy yung Jewel kasi madilim na. Kasi nga 'di ba, yung roofing ng Jewel is full of glass. So syempre madilim na, so it's so dark, and just because of the lighting, dun mo lang makikita talaga yung waterfalls. Pero for sure, I am very sure na maganda yun sa daytime. I didn't take much of the videos or picture. Okay na sa akin yung na-experience ko. Ay, may mga shows din sila. The Jewel is open from Monday to Sunday, from 10 o'clock in the morning, that's Singaporean time, 10 o'clock in the morning up to 10 o'clock in the evening. So, continue siya. I think maybe every 30 minutes yata yung shows nila. But of course, you can't compare that sa Dubai Fountain dito sa Dubai. It's still amazing here compared doon. Kasi ano lang yun eh, waterfall, tapos may mga lightning, that music, that's it. It was crowded. Medyo confusing lang sa palipat-lipat. Pero siguro nga dahil it was my first time. Pero hindi. Anyway, basta confusing pa rin siya kasi hindi lahat ng lift nila is accessible sa lahat ng level. I don't know why. So maybe there's a maintenance issue, but still wala namang nakalagay na maintenance issue na signage. So the airport was really, really nice. It's so clean. It's huge. It's massive. Connecting siya from Terminal 1 to Terminal 4. So sobrang haba niya talaga. And maganda yung train nila sa airport. Ano siya, napaka-futuristic compare sa Dubai. Sa Dubai, medyo kailangan ng upgrade, I believe. For me, this is my own opinion based on my experience. So, yeah. So, yon. I landed here around 4 o'clock in the morning. Napaka-quiet ng airport kasi sobrang aga pa. Pero, I've heard sa chauffeur na nag-service sa akin, nag-start daw talaga ang busy ng airport from 6 o'clock in the morning until midnight. So, yeah. Okay. Now, ang dami kong daldal, di ba? Kasi may energy na ako kahit papano. Now, I am going to Carrefour to buy our stuff. Hindi siya ganun kadami. Pero, I am forced na lumabas kasi itong body ko, itong sasakyan ko, hindi na drive every day. Once lang siya drive ng asawa ko, last Saturday. Not this Saturday, not recently, the previous Saturday pa. So, syempre naman, na-miss ko rin mag-drive. And hindi ako nag-drive for 2 days kasi lantang gulay talaga ako. And I need to move early kasi may work ako today. It's just a quick shopping lang naman. So, let's go. It's Happy Wednesday, by the way. Time check, it's 9:25 in the morning here in Dubai. And, yeah. Let's go. Yes, may sandstorm ngayon. Napaka-alikabok na. So, hindi siya naging quick kasi experience nyo ba yun? Kapag nasa supermarket na kayo, ang dami nyong nakikita na gusto nyo nang bilhin lahat. So, we will do the haul. And today's shopping, I spent total of 354 dirhams. That's equivalent to, let's do the math. So that's 5,416.20 pills. Cents pala. 5,400. Not bad kasi most of my purchase are organic. Kasi nga, healthy living tayo. It's clean. Kahit din sa Pilipinas, hanggat maaari, I want like yung mga gulay-gulay lang. That's what I really missed. So, let's start. Without further ado, let's start. I have this for the salad, chopped salad, of course, kasi yun nga, balik diet na naman tayo. And I got this shrimp. napaka-lusog ng mga shrimp nila dito. By the way, this is from Oman. Pero hindi ko siya lulutuin ngayon. Dahil lumalabas na ang aking white. Kailangan mag-roots. And I'm just doing it by my own. Tipid-tipid muna tayo sa dami ng gasto sa Pilipinas. So, I got this Garnier. I'm into dark hair era na. Kasi mas, yung low maintenance siya. And, lagi na lang ako nag-roots by myself, di ba? Then, sa toothpaste, we're using the Crest. Kasi nga, veneers yung ngipin ko. And, lahat siya naka-veneers. And, up and down. And, I don't want na yung mga ordinary lang na toothpaste. So, kailangan ma-maintain ko pa rin yung pagka-white niya. Kasi sayang naman yung binayaran natin, guys. Mahal yun. Mahal magpa-veneers. Then, I got this cherry tomatoes. I love cherry tomato. Super. Sa Pilipinas, ang liliit din ng mga kamatis. Pero may pagka-greeny siya. Tsaka maasim. Hindi siya matamis. I don't know. And then the lemon. Kasi today, then I got the blueberries. Another berries, yan, mga paborito ko merienda yan when I'm here, kasi sa Pilipinas, mahal yan. Then I got the pomegranate, kasi gagawa ako ng salad namin mag-asawa today. Then cheese, and mag-aadobo ako ng atay ng manok. Then I got this chicken breast para sa Greek Mediterranean salad na gagawin ko for tonight. And Australian beef mince siya. Kasi magluluto ako ng something for tomorrow. Then yogurt for the sauce para mamaya. The bell pepper, onion, feta cheese para na naman to sa salad din. And dishwashing soap. Paubos na. Then I got the olives, the black olives kasi ito ilalagay ko sa salad din mamaya. And I have the avocado. That's for the salad as well. Kasi kailangan ng mga protein something. And then, cheese. Another cheese. One of my favorite cheese. Actually, ito lang yata yung paborito kong cheese. It's Brie from France. It's a pasta. It's organic pasta again. Then, kumuha na ako ng mga garbage bag namin kasi paubos na. Ang dami naman akong nabili for that 300. Pang ano na rin to, pang 1 week meal, di ba? Then we got the organic Himalayan salt. I got the organic garlic powder. I got the organic smoked beans para sa breakfast. And the organic chickpeas. I got 2. Para sa salad na naman yan for tomorrow or the other day, depende. So, yun yung nabili ko. So it's 353 lang pala. Yan ang total. 350. Natakpan ko yata. 53. So that's all for the shopping today. So mag-start na ako mag-work. I'll just gonna fix this and we'll start my work. Okay. Just to share, grabe yung pag-hoard ko ng Yakult. Kasi dito, ang isang ganito is 17 dirhams. So imagine mo, nasa 200 plus na siya. Almost 300 na per pack na ganito. Sa Pilipinas, 50 pesos lang to. Kaya kumuha ako ng 10. Favorite namin yung mag-asawa. Yakult. Di pa ako nag-aagahan, so I will boiled egg. Yan yung pinaka-breakfast / lunch ko. Actually, nakalagin na ako since 8:30 pa ng morning. And iniwan ko lang siya dito sa bahay. So, what is that? Okay. Yung glass ko. Yan. Naka-ready na yan. Kanina pa. Then, I have another one. Laptop here. Personal naman to. Kasi, I miss doing the trading. So, while working, i-open ko yung trading view ko para ma-check ko kung ano nang lagay. Kung pwede tayong mag-trade for today. Actually, kating-kati na ako mag-trade nung there will be a sound. Nung Monday pa. Kaso, alam mo yon, hindi ka pwedeng mag-trade nang you're not into it, like you're not in the mood. Kasi magiging, impulsive lang yung mga decision mo. So yeah, I'll be having the Yakult. Nagtitake ako nito once a day. Para sa, alam mo na yun. But aside from this, nagpo-probiotics din ako. Ang init sa labas. So yeah.
Didn't happen like that. It took me a minute to notice it. It was holding me back. It's time to move on to bigger things. Can't live in the past. Moving on to future me. I wonder who she will be. I can't help but think that there is something more to find, more to life than what I have right here, right now. Used to call it stable, now I call it stuck. Letting go, yeah, that's tough, but maybe it's all for the better and it's meant to be. It's gonna hurt at first, but then eventually.
6594 5. Hey guys, it's 5:30 in the afternoon. So tapos na yung working time ko. So it's wife duty naman. So I'll be making chicken Greek Mediterranean salad for me and my husband. So okay, so I will start the chicken Greek Mediterranean salad. So first I need a half kg of the boneless chicken breast, and then we will gonna cut it into half. Para mas maging juicy siya. Kasi masyadong makapal, di ba? Just exactly half. Para magkaroon siya ng masarap na lasa, we need to do the marination. So, ima-marinate natin siya for just 4 simple spices. Oregano. Oh, I need the big cut. Then, garlic powder. Garlic powder. Ang garlic talaga, hindi mawawala yan lagi sa pagkain. And of course, black pepper. And last but not the least, the Himalayan salt. Then, iiwanan lang natin siya for 10 minutes. Ipiprepare ko lang lahat ng mga vegetable. Then, I'll keep this aside. So, what I am preparing now is the Easy Greek tzatziki sauce. Ano siya? Mix of cucumber and yogurt dip. So, kinakat ko siya ng maliliit because I need to mix it with the yogurt. Kailangan nating i-drain ang water nitong cucumber na to. Hiwa na yan. You have to bring your cloth para ma-drain natin siya. So, and then add some salt. And set aside for 5 minutes. Then on a separate, we need to put I'll just finish this. Usually, mag-add ka ng 2 cups of yogurt. And then we will add this garlic. And half of the lemon juice. Fresh juice. Remove this, yung water niya. We will add it here. For the taste, we will add the pepper. And then another salt. Himalayan salt yung gamit ko. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Lang natin siya. So here's the finished product. Minix ko lang. So I will start with the cucumber. No, not cucumber, tomato. So, nowadays, actually, before pa ako mag-flight ng Pilipinas, naka-diet na kaming mag-asawa. So, we're just doing 1 meal a day. So, since ito lang ang pagkain namin for the whole day, kailangan kong mag-cut ng madami. Especially sa kanya. Kaya, may ina-add akong chicken. Next is the bell pepper. Make it sure lang na maalis nyo yung. So, I'm doing the cut bite size. And adding onion as well. Naiyak ako sa sibuyas. Meron na siyang jar sa loob because it's full of water. So you can just pull it out like this. Actually, hindi ko naman siya kailangan lahat.
Give me something, something good. I get wasted on the thought of you. Head is spinning, I can't move. Smoky eyes.
Hey guys, it's another day, another vlog. Today it's Friday. Actually, holiday siya dito sa UAE. So, time for gala-gala din. So, we're heading to JBR. Meron akong nahanap doon na where we can do lunch. So, it's Mediterranean cuisine siya. Pero may mga ano din, parang may Italian din siya. So, I'll just gonna take you with me. Ito try natin yung mga pagkain nila. I've been eyeing for that place for quite a while. Pero, syempre, nagbakasyon tayo sa
Wasted
Philippines.
love.
So, na-stop tayo sa mga gala-gala dito sa Dubai. And now,
Was filled with potential, but I wasted.
yep, let's go.
I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose. Cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. How long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting away. Now I'm drifting Wasted love, yeah. Was filled with potential, but I wasted. I am wasted on the thought of you. Don't know how to cut me loose. Cut me loose. I can't get you out of my mind. You're still with me all the time.